Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly just explain why upgrading your RAM to 8 gigabytes isn't necessarily a better thing unless you have the correct RAM. So basically what I did was I took two cards at 4 gigabytes from my older MacBook Pro, my 15-inch. I think I bought those cards about 2 years ago. It's DDR3 at 1067 megahertz, and so I upgraded my new 13-inch MacBook Pro to 8 gigabytes and took out the 4 gigabytes, and then I ran some Geekbench scores, and here's one 6,614 and here's the other 6,813. You would think the 6,813 is the 8 gigabyte and the 6,614 is the 4 gigabyte. That is not the case. The higher one here is the 4 gigabyte and the lower one is the 8 gigabyte. The reason why the 4 gigabyte one is higher is because right here you have 4 gigabytes of RAM at 1600 megahertz DDR3 compared to the 8 gigabytes. Focus. 8 gigabytes of RAM at 1600 or 1067 megahertz. So because of that, the 4 gigabyte RAM is faster. So before you upgrade, you got to check to see if the 8 gigabytes of RAM is going to be faster than the 4 gigabytes. So if you're going to be buying 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM, be sure it's up there in the 1600 megahertz or higher, or you won't see that much of a performance. So because of this, I will be going back to my 4 gigabytes of RAM because it is actually faster than my 8 gigabytes of RAM.